For you, so there's another question, and the question says, which is correct for tangential acceleration of a simple pendulum at small amplitudes? So basically, it says the question is of SHM motion. So it says that when there is a pendulum and it is moving like this with a very small amplitude x naught, what will be the relationship with acceleration? It is inversely proportional. It says that acceleration is inversely proportional to x. It is proportional to displacement, that acceleration is proportional to the x. So inversely proportional, not the right answer. Proportional to displacement, that is also not the right answer, because we know that x is directly proportional to minus x, but not the x. It is opposite to displacement, so whatever the x will be there, it will be opposite to it, it says. So it is not opposite, directly opposite. So this is also not the right answer. It is proportional and opposite to the displacement. Yes, the acceleration is proportional and opposite to the displacement. So this is the proportional sign and this is the being opposite sign. So the D option will be the right option. Now we will check the mark scheme. Mark scheme says D is the right answer. So you can also remember the graph also. In graph, if there is x like this, then acceleration will be like this. So if this is 2, it can be 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also. So it doesn't mean that they will be equal to each other. It will be proportional according to the some formula. So it will be proportional and opposite to them. If it is positive, it will be negative. It will be positive, it will be negative. So hope you understood this concept. So thank you for watching this video. If you have some doubts, just put it into the comment section.